Hey good people, this is another short video about the Toyota Prius 2022 which I was driving earlier. I made another short video about the same car, told you how to change the driver information settings and how to use driver information system. जिसको MIS भी कहते हैं, multimedia information system और driver information system and all. So definitely आप steering wheel के ये right side के जो buttons हैं इनसे ही आप उसको control करते हैं. Plus you'll find this one shortcut button for the lane departure और साथ में collision warning है. Left hand side पे आप देखें steering wheel के तो you will see कि आपके volume controls, multimedia controls हैं. You can change the modes, according to your choice. Okay, then you've got the phone controls plus the voice command. साथ में ये ट्रिप बटन है जिससे अपनी गाड़ी का ट्रिप मीटर चेक कर सकते हैं. फिर इनका जो एक सिग्नेचर क्रूज कंट्रोल है राइट अंडरनीथ द स्टीयरिंग, हियर इट इज. ओके, तो ये भी आपका क्रूज कंट्रोल. और राइट हैंड साइड पे यू गॉट द पुश स्टार्ट बटन, पुश स्टार्ट स्टॉप इंजन बटन. ओके, साथ में इसके आप तीन बटन देखें. तो दिस इज फॉर ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, ऑटोमेटिक लाइट्स, एंड आई गेस समथिंग रिगार्डिंग स्टीयरिंग. On the left hand side, you will find, a touch control, touch climate control. Okay, that's a quad zone. Every passenger can just change the settings according to his preferences. It's AC man. You can just play it like that. You can increase the temperature, you can decrease the temperature, and the economic zone, all that. You can turn it on and off from here. This button. इसके बिल्कुल नीचे आपको gear knob मिल रहा है. तो gear knob Prius का, you know that. You have to just push the brake and you just do it like that. It's in the driving mode now. And if you have to push it, put back in the reverse mode, to the reverse में आ गया. And if you have to put it back in the parking mode, so you just press this button, the car is in the parking mode again. इसके साथ आपको ये driving modes मिल रहे हैं और साथ में electric vehicle की जो on and off settings हैं वो मिल रही हैं and all that. So that was a very small video about this Prius. This is the look of the dashboard ultimately. So basically it's a very good and beautiful car anyway. So worth keeping on. Thank you.